low.
Check man, check. Late na tayo, Dide! Guys!
No.
Ay, number 6, Ombas. Ombas, court to court. He's strong. Ay, number 6 naman. Okay na kayo. Baka maano naman yung laptop. Steal by Pico. Pass to number 6. Number 27, back to number 6, Shot clock 14, number Blue ball. Naka-ace. Pass to number survive. No good. Now we have Pico. Pass to number 15. Wow. Number 6. Shot clock 14. Pass to number 15. Taking 3. No good. Now Honey. Number 22. 10 to shoot. Drop pass. Wrong. Ay, balik mo lang daw. Malambot. Babayan.
Sa kabila ka. Kay Leo.
Asibilio. Ikaw pass to number 15. Shot clock 14. 15. 10 to shoot. Steal. That's the hard pass to Dio. Pass to number 28. Number 28.
Rekta kuya, rekta.
Number 6.
Iwan mo.
No good. Not running. Number 6. Okay, long 2. He's strong. Now Honey. Number 15, 10 to shoot. Obi. He's strong. Now Honey. Number 12. Pass to number 28. Court to court. Working for his teammate. Pass to number 6. Shot clock 14. 25. Cedillo. 10 to shoot. Taking 3. Now Honey. He dropped. Liares, 14 to shoot. Rebounds by Liares. Number 12. Ayun. Shot clock 14. Caldua. Dua por fuerza. Blocking foul by number 25. First personal foul. First team foul. Isang shot clock 14. Bayo. Time to shoot. Too strong. Nakay. Pass to Asigilio. Asigilio. Good pass. A good pass to Fortune. Number 6. Official score 4-0. Sige po, reserve timeout. Steal. Asigilio to Miliares. Miliares. 2 points. Timeout tayo. Timeout. Big shot. Official score 6-0. Minutes and 36. Back to the ball game. Balik tayo, balik. Nakayong Saldua. Drop pass to 27. Good luck. Nakuha ni. Nakuha ni. Nakuha ni. Nakuha ni line. Blue ball. Miliares. Bigay pass to number 6. To number 05. Another ball. 10 to shoot. Dito mama sa ring. Miliares. 5 to shoot. Good luck. Same ball. 2 to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. Good. Court to court. On the blue. Ombas. Number 5, taking 3. So good. Shot clock 14, Miliares. Taking 3. Another ball. Saldua, court to court. Number 6, your first teammate. Number 6. This ball red, foul, number 28. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 1. Akala ko eh. Ako lang Leak pala ang atin dito. Isa, wala. Three points ba yan? 2 points. 2 points. Block 2.
Shooter sa'yo, kaliwa.
Business score 8-1. 3 minutes and 27. Saldua. Block 14. Score red. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Third team foul. Saldua. Good ball. Foul 14. Time to shoot. Foul number 12. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Eto, kakantado ka muna. Meron ka dyan? Oo. Oh, sige. Ba't ako ikaw magkantado na akin na? Kanto. Eh, kukunin ko lang dito. Lock mo na kasi tatawid na sila dito.
One.
Yan na lang sa'yo.
8-2. 2 minutes. 75. Negos. Completing 2, official score 8-3. Asadillo. Asadillo, second play. The number 6, Pamba, side step, steal. Steal by Saldua. Saldua. Tulian. Okay, time out. Grayson, 1 minute and 53. Kilala mo na, kailangan ng tubig. Kailangan ni talong sa lundag ng gusto. Okay, back to the ball game. Asadillo, setting a play. Sabi nung kapit niya, screen daw, screen. Bas. Taking 2. No good, Nakawani. Nakawani. Number 15. Number 15. Nakawani. 0-5. 1-3. Liam. Going for his teammate. To Saldua. Saldua, Pepersa. Saldua. Wow. No good. Yares. Protocol. Asadillo. Itayo. Foul. Number 6. Lead. First personal foul. First team foul. Ibig tayo dito. Baka gusto nyo ng malamig. Merong malamig. Baka gusto nyo ng mainit. Malapit lang kayo. SOD, 33 seconds remaining. Number 1, 11-3. 35 seconds. Liam, looking for his teammate, 20 seconds. Namatay ka ng 5 dyan. Shot clock 14. Ibarot. Foul number 12. Stop the clock. 10 seconds. Penalty. Okay. Number 12, second personal foul, penalty. Number 1. 10 seconds remaining, mag-isip ka, diretso ha. Saldua. Number 1, Victor. Gilia, 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Foul number 12. Okay, personal foul number 12, tatlo ka na. Palamit ka muna. 3 seconds remaining. Stop the clock. No good. 3 seconds ha. May 3 seconds pa. 3 seconds. Okay. Sa the score. 11-5. Second 5, pasok. Pasok na, pasok. Second 5. Okay, bola ng blue. Ano yung lalabunan ko? Okay. Right. Here's my rep. number 10. 9 yun eh, 9.
May bigyan mo na
Oo,
sila.
nakuha ka na. Dapat sorry. Oh, good. Ay, good pala yun. Yung ano, yung... Good. Martinez, pass to, di ko nakita number. Mistura. Pass to Longer. Points. Biso-biso. 13-5. Number 29. Sander. No good. Nakoni. This forward. Sa ulo. Foul number 14. First personal foul, second team foul. Shot clock 14. Go. Number 3. There to shoot. Taking 3. No good. Nakoni Obab. A traveling violation. Baba. Depensa. Martinez. Number 13. Back to Martinez. Two. Nakano. No good. Nakani line. Same ball. Tumama sa tagiliran. Martinez. Back to number 13, number 1. Try to shoot. Able to sa kabila. Bell. Over his teammate. Obaog. Long two. No good. Now number 1. To number 13. Dito. Laroa. To Martinez. Number 1, long 2, ball drink, no good. Naku, honey. Same ball. 12 to shoot. Number 1, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good, naku, honey. Bimbak, no good. Baka pa rin niya, bimbak. Naku, honey, 29, control. Number 29 goes upper moves. Mas Phenomenal. Good for 2 by Mas Phenomenal. 16-7. Martinez setting the play. Pass to Laroa, taking 3. No good. Now only. Point 2. 2, Mas Phenomenal. Number 29, Mas Phenomenal. Control. Now only. Martinez. Babaw. Martinez. Aglo natin bola. Laroa. Contact 14. Mistura. Pass number 3 to Martinez. Time to shoot. Boys by Martinez. 18-7. 11-point lead. 6 minutes for 36. Number 3, Bell. Setting a play, Bell. Shot clock 14. Kaya mo 29. Set ball. Set Marvin. Good for 2 by Set Marvin. Ganto ka. Mistura taking 3. Time out! Bullet Green, big shot. Official score 21-9. 5 minutes and 59. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Okay, meron tayo pipilihan. Face of the night. Kung sino ang face of the night, mababalang kumuha yung kape. Katrina. Abel. Play. Maybe three. An air ball. Martinez. Pass to Distura. Take three. Katulis. Nakuha din. Harus phenomenal. Portugal. 2 for 2. Alright, semua kalamannya 21-11. Martinez. Turistura. Drop to number 10. Number 10, shot clock 14. Turistura. Move forward. Down number 29. Pulling foul. May pulling foul ba sa basketball? Reset shot clock 14. Martinez. Long two. Pwede sa ako ng Ignacio. Tibons by Ignacio. Walang box out. Yung mga naka-green, walang box out.
Jogging naman dito.
Number 3. Going for his teammate. Number 3. Shot clock 14. Foul. Martinez, number 14. Pushing foul. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Foul number 29. No good. Set Bobby. Foul by number 10. Number 10. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Araw-araw yan, bumabiyahe.
Dahil pag makikita ito ka.
Oh, good. Nakoni. Nakoni. Number 12, Distura. Laroa, fake, Distura. Shot clock 14, number 10. Good luck, Distura. Another, no good, Nakoni. Number 1, reset shot clock, number 1, Ignacio, big for 2. 25-12. Swerte sa bola, ang mga naka-blue. Number 21. 29 pala, 39. Crossover. Long 2. No good. Now number 10. Pass to Larawa. Still by Obaob. Obaob pumwersa. No good. Distura. Larawa. Court to court. Back to Martinez. Long 2. No good. Number 29. Mavs phenomenal. Court to court. Back to. Okay, time out tayo. Time out! Brains! Strong.
Megan si JM!
Back to the barangay. Wala ng big shot. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Nakatulot. Tulot to boys. Buta nakakita. Okay na. May party na. Pwede na mag-gano. Chabi. Pwede na mag-chabi. Nakatulot na kayo ng boys. Distura. Good fake. The boys. Pwede na. Checkmate. Ayan, okay na pala. Malakas. Thank you, Commissioner. Nakay Martinez to na Ignacio. Drop to Distura. Up and under. Who's Powell? Foul by Chef Marvin. Number 21, first personal foul for Steve Paul. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Okay, pace of the night ha, pace of the night. Kung sino ang mapipili, may kape, Katrina. Magbayad lang kayo 6 dirhams. Number 1. Check mic, check mic. Check. Okay, jumpers ready. Completing 2, official score 29-14. 15-point lead by Graves Corner. Sabi pa nga yan eh. Number 29, court to court. Number 29, no good. Masyadong malakas, nakawa pa rin niya. Pumersa. Who's pa ulit, foul number 12, penalty. Number 12, first personal foul. Penalty. 54 seconds remaining. No good. Kinakababa ka na. Konting hina.
Kaya ko hindi
Lang, naiwan yung hininga.
Ay, pampalamig yun.
Toothbrush. No good. Okay, Martinez.
Lasenta.
Drop pass, masyado mataas. Nakaulit talon sa lintag. 24 seconds remaining. Shot clock, dead clock. Clock up tayo, clock pop. Number 29, taking 3. An air ball, ako ni Kulot, pass to Bell. Steal, 10 seconds remaining. Number 10. 2, 7 seconds remaining. 4 seconds remaining. 2. Okay, wala nang oras. Official score 31-14. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, pasok. Saldua maghahapit kasi malaki lamang. Saldua ng wersa. Good for 2. 31-15. Casadillo to number 28. Casadillo, shot clock 14. Manise. Drop out, 10 to shoot. 0-5, take 3, no good. Saldua court to court. Guy number 1. Saldua. 2, number 15, taking 3, no good. Number 28, good block. Shot clock 10. 10 to shoot. Good block, 10 to shoot. Steal. Saldua, no good. Court to court by Millares. With Barrett, foul number 15. First personal ba yan o hindi? First personal. Okay, 5 minutes. Reserve timeout by Chef Marvin. Salmon Benedict. Millares. Using the board, too strong. Nakuha ni. Nakuha ni number 15. Kay Rosel to number 15. Number 15. 2, Bell taking 3. No good, Nangani. Saldua. Who's Barrett? Ano number niya? Number. Foul number 29. Both teams first team foul. Saldua. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Saldua. Puwersa. Ano malakas? Asidilio, kontukot. Asidilio. To Villares. Number 2. 23-16. To Valio. To Bijong. To Valet. Foul, number 5. Second team foul. Personal. Na kay Rosel. To Valio, 15, taking 3. May tunog. Di rinig eh. 33-19. Na kay Nieves. To Manis. Mansi pala to. Asidilio. Shot clock 14. Kick out pass to number 28. 10 to shoot. Steal. Control. A black foul by number Asidilio. Second personal foul. Nakop shooting pala yan. Going to basket. No good. No good. Nieves to Asidilio. Sabi kalma, malaki lamang natin, kalma. Asidilio setting a play, pass to Manse. Shot clock 14. 5 minutes and 30. Villares. An air ball. Ay, number 15. Advance yung quick shot. Meron na silang 5 minutes. Shot clock 14. Crossover, Asidilio, 2 drop. No good. Nakay by losses to Asidilio. 5 remaining. Under 5 yan. 5 minutes remaining. Boys, time out. Big shot. 35-19. Boss, mag-consider kayo timeout? Cancel, timeout. Okay, number 29 recepting to referee. Number 29, warning. 29, kabila. Okay, back to the ball game. Warning na si number 29. For recepting call for the referee. Okay, bola ng big shot. Guluhan ako din eh. Maraming nagsasalita. Kuya, sasab natin yan. Nakakuha pa rin sila. 10 to shoot. Steal. Villares, konto steal. Kanino ka pumunta? Substitution muna tayo bago mapunta sa waka. Shot. Sab, sige, pasok, labas ang lalabas. Lawit tayo dila, sige, lawit tila, pahinga muna. Rosel, to number 1. Getting a play. 2-29, taking 3. Papasok, hindi. Nakuha ni Distura. Nakuha ni. Stepping the line. Nakita ng referee, malinaw ang mata. Wala pang grado. Hindi ka nagkakalamin. Shot clock 14. Number 1, taking 3. Malayo yan. Nakuha ni. Nakuha ni Ryan. Budol. Nieves. Kalma lang daw, malaki lamang. Isais. Number 1, Ignacio. Pick out pass to Laroa, taking 3. For three! May tunog, may tunog. 38-19. 19-point lead. Saldua. Pick out pass to 39. No good. Dakwani, number 3. Good for red. Time out. Okay, time out tayo. Time out! Brainstorm. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 58. Warning for penalty na ha. Warning for penalty ang Brains. Number 10. Third personal foul. Number 10. Back to the ball game. Okay na, nakainom ng tubig. Nakahiga ng konti. Back to the ball game. Shot, jumpers ready. Okay. Napasok kaya? Oh, wala. Lilit, lamang. Nietes, gumagamit ng utak, ginagamit ang oras, malaki lamang. Distura. Shot clock 14. Nietes to Laroa. 10 to shoot. Nakay, Saldua, control, Dakwani. Tumama sa paa. Green ball. 18. Second shot clock. Number 1, setting a play. Saldua, Pomersa. Drop pass to number 3, long 2. No good, Dakwani, number 2, number 10. Pass to Nietes to Distura. Lumayak, pumali, no good. Number 29, court to court. Number 29. To number 28, Rosel. Good for 2. Stop natin yung oras. Bigyan ng katilyo. Dito, report. Okay, double foul. Okay, double hands po. Si number 29 at Saldua, masyadong mainit. Mainit na yung panahon. Malakas sa high blood yan. Ignacio, no good. Nakuha ni. Loose ball red. 69. Loose ball foul. Second personal foul. 30. Shot clock 14. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Kick out pass to Nietes. Shot clock 10 to shoot. Nakay. A traveling violation. Meron ka ng Emery's ID pero traveling ka muna. 50 seconds remaining. Number 1 setting a play to number 3. Number 3. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Taking 3. For 3. 30 seconds remaining. Nalaban ng laban. Nakay, Distura. Shot clock 14, 20 seconds. Good for red, foul. Saldua, ilan yan? Tatlo na si Saldua. Both teams warning for penalty. Stop the clock sa 10 seconds. Pagpasok. Okay, basket sub tayo, Repa. Basket sub. Pag hindi, tuloy. Okay, tuloy. 7 seconds remaining. Good for red. Okay, penalty. Okay, wala nang sub. Penalty na, penalty. 6 seconds remaining. Cancel sub. Next time na daw. 6 seconds remaining. Cancel sub tayo ha, mag-basket ha. Okay, good. 5 seconds. Nakal-close up, control. 2 seconds. Push ball red. Foul number 10, penalty. Warning na yan, apat na yun si number 10. Mamaya ka na pumasok. Baka ma-foul ka, mag-graduate ka na agad. 10 minutes pa. Kunin mo na. Kalma. No good. Kalma. Sige lang, take your time. Kahit mga 10 minutes. Capelario. Yun, wasok. Buwaba naman. Okay. 14 kalamangan. Back to the ball game. Ada, pasok na. Gumagabi. Blue ball. Wala namang jump ball. Tuloy-tuloy yan. Yares. Pumersa. Push out. First personal foul. Jumpers ready. 40, 25. Lumalayo na naman ang kalamangan. 15 kalamangan. Wala maghabit. Nakailim. Drop pass 2. Steal. Casadilla, hard to cut. Number 2, 42, 25. Valeria, side step, ang ganda ng galaw, good for 2. Casadilla, setting a play. Ating face of the night, Melky na nag-stretching. Meron kang kape sa Katrina, magbayad ka lang. Same ball, shot clock 14. Reset niya. Good for 2. There, Pumersa. Good yan. Taking 3. No good. Same ball, shot clock 14. Dead ball shot tayo, steal. Ano ta? Baskets. Okay, foul tayo, number 22. Tang, big shot. Time out. Time out sila. Three, 2, 1, okay na. Buzzer na. Double game. Two shot tayo, 2 shot. Oh, good. Tayong alaunan eh. Pambas. Nakakuha ni Line. Balik sa blue. Asadilio. Okay, reserve sub. Dead ball sub tayo, dead ball sub. Asadilio setting a play. Shot clock 14. Umbas. 2 Millares. 10 to shoot. Asadilio, 2. Umbas. 5 to shoot. Good luck. 5 to shoot. Sabi to shoot tayo, sabi to shoot. 5 to shoot tayo ha, 5 to shoot. Good luck. Good. Saldua. Saldua, court to court. Lucky foul. Number 25. Third personal foul. First team foul. Saldua. Time to shoot. Lim taking 3. For 3! May tunog sa ano yan eh. May tunog pala sa TV. Bumababa kalamangan. Good, established. 2 points. 48-30. Ignacio. Side step, ang ganda. Kaso mataas. Nakaya Asadilio. Asadilio, no good. Nakakuha ni, nakakuha ni. Humingi ng foul, hindi nakita. Nakay Lim. Okay, reserve sub. No good, nakakuha ni. Bishop. Is forward. Report muna tayo bago sub. Number 40 ba? Substitution. Third personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot will be given to number 69, Saldua. Score 31-48. Reserve sub daw, reserve sub. Manse to Ignacio, long 2. No good, nakakoy 29. Number 29, court to court. TV. May ayos. Okay, substitution tayo. Substitution. Pasok na pamasok na sa lalabas. Buksan niyo aircon, mainit. Malakas sa hit sila ko yan. Buksan niyo aircon. Pinto-tingin din sa pinto. Steal! Ay! Ano yun? Ano yun? Okay, habol mo yung tao. Anspo tayo. Anspo. Ongoing yun, idol. Hindi pwede yun. Substitution.
Tatawag lang ako, hindi mo mawala ang ano yun.
Okay, shoutout daw. Si Patrick Domingo. Sige, pag ano yan, pagpasok yan. Kung pangalawa, pwedeng mag-sub. Kalma lang, kalma. Face of the night, Patrick Domingo. Nagse-cellphone pa, akala hindi alam na tinatawag siya. Punta ka sa baba, bili kang Katrina coffee. Number 1, substitution. Running po yan, running. Stop the clock by 2 minutes. Score natin, 49. 31. Shot clock 14. Ignacio. Bailosis. Nangialam. Nakagawa. Nakagawa. Saldua, shot clock 14. Saldua, pumersa. Ngayon wala ang bola. Distura, court. Okay, kalma, malaki lamang. Distura. Laroa to Ignacio. Piso, good for 2. 51-31. Lumalaki lamang. Meron pa isa. Bailosis. Foul. Okay, time out tayo by Chef Marvin. Warning by Saldua. Warning for penalty na rin.
B. Sige, mapapalik kami. Akin na isa.
Ano, back to the ball game, back to the ball game. Nakahinga, nakahina. Kay Patrick, the running club. Bailosis, to number 10. Number 10. To Bailosis. Nakakalito kayong dalawa, pasa kayo ng pasa. Bailosis, shot clock 14. Ignacio, kick out pass, time to shoot. Distura, taking 3. No good, Nakoni, number 3, goal to court. Number 3. Number 6, Lim, taking 3.
Sobra yung paa niya.
Nakawa, good for 3. Nagtunog yan, kaso mahina. 34-51. Nakuha pa rin ni number 6. Foul. Good for what? Number 1 or number 28, Bailosis. Okay, timeout sila. Bawal ka mag-free throw, mamaya ka na mag-free throw. Timeout sila. Second personal foul. Both teams warning for penalty.
Mamaya silipan natin.
Sa inyo aircon mainit.
Isang game na lang.
Back to the whole game. Number 25, third personal foul. Nagtanong. Pwede natin i-announce yan. No good. Stop the clock, 2 minutes. Number 1, 35-51. 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Montano. Asadillo. Backdoor to Ignacio. No good. Nakuha ni Chef Marvin. Nakuha ni Kanino. Shot clock 14. 2 minutes remaining. Last 2 minutes. Time to shoot. Steal. No good. Distura. Crossover. To Asadillo. 1 minute and 42. Reserve sub. Shot clock 14. Asadillo. Laroa. 10 to shoot. Ignacio. 5 to shoot. 2 points. Nakailim. Steal. Napakasibag talaga kahit malaki lamang. Montano. To Ignacio. Shot clock 14. Kick out pass to Disturia. 10 to shoot. To Laroa. 5 to shoot. 2 points. 1 minute remaining. Nakay number 3. Mag-ready na yung next game. 2 points. 50 seconds remaining. Istura. Shot 14. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. For 3. May tunog. 24 seconds. Clock out. Ingat na lang. Baka mabilayan pa. Respeto. Okay, congratulations sa mga nanalo. Nanalo yung 58.